Semantic modeling. What is it and what is it not?
Yeah, great question. So we've added a new concept in Unity Catalog for metrics views. It's an ability for you to model kind of conventional cube style metrics and dimensions in Unity Catalog and govern in one place. So that's what it is. You can query it in OpenSQL, and that means any tool that speaks SQL will be able to consume it. What is it not? It's not a proprietary BI model that's only used by AI BI. It can be used by any tool. It's also not the only thing we're doing around semantics. So at Databricks, we believe in sort of supporting the conventional approaches for semantics that BI tools have always been built with. But we also think that in the AI age, there are lots of new types of semantic metadata that needs to be added into your data, and we're working on those things as well.
I am a CTO in a finance company or in a supply chain company. What does this mean to me in practical business terms?
So if you want your numbers to be consistent between people who want to look at those numbers, then you want to make sure the definitions for things, let's say if you're a CTO or if you're an operation leader, you want to know, what your ARR is or what your churn rate is. You want that centrally defined in one place. And that's what metric views in Unity Catalog allows you to do. Unlike existing solutions that are typically inside your BI tools, the Unity Catalog approach is something that can be used across all of your different tools. So if you have different parts of your organization using a combination of, let's say, Tableau and ThoughtSpot, everyone will still get the same number, and you can control that, centralize that governance in one place.
How do you begin leveraging metrics?
Metrics is in public preview now. It is about to go GA in hopefully by next week. So you can enable it today you can get started by asking your team to go to Catalog Explorer and just create metrics view on top of a table.